turn that off, so who knows? They might give you a strike for playing a song from like 1979 or 1980 or whatever. Yeah, I was told that you couldn't play the top 40. So who knows? I don't know how that works. Oh, all right. This I'm doing. Matter of fact, I'm going to reset it because I'm already wasting 15, 20 seconds, 25 seconds. All right. This is the challenge. Me just randomly doing them. So I just wanted to see if I could do it in 6 minutes. All right. And this will be the last one of these goofy periodic table of elements Sporkle videos. I just punched out of work. I'm working almost 12 hours today. Really? Freaking jerks. Totally messes you up. Come on. Stupid commercials. What is 116? Oh, livermorium. All right, I need hafnium, ruthenium. No, that's rutherfordium. And what is that? What is that? What is 105? I don't remember. 93 is plutonium. Sorry. Neptunium. What is 102? 102 is Mendelevium, Nobelium. 110, I can't remember, and that's Nionium. That's indium, gallium, germanium, arsenic, silicon, vanadium, chromium, and titanium, yttrium, gold, what is that? Platinum, trillisium, promethium. Oh my God, what is 62? Samarium. 57 is lanthanum. 66 is praseodymium. No, it's dysprosium. What is 110 and 104? 110 is darmstadtium. What is 105? Oh, thorium, borium. No, borium's over there. Rubidium, dubnium, and chlorine. Anything else? What else is there? Oh, barium. Okay, I did it in less than 5 minutes and 10 seconds. No, 6 minutes and 10 seconds, but I was talking. I don't know when I started. I don't know. I'd have to go back and look at the video, but okay. So I guess 3 minutes and 7 seconds isn't like impossible, because I did it in less than 6 here, if you don't count the talking and the stupid commercials that kept coming on. And I just randomly did it. I mean, if I just went in order, and then when I get stuck on something, just keep going and just come back to it, I probably could do it in 3 minutes and 7 seconds like I did. So, yeah, I guess so. All right, thank you for watching. I appreciate it.